What do you do when you want your students to think deeply about a text in your content area class? Do you say, "Hey students, think deeply about this text"? If you are a content area teacher and you realize your students are not understanding the text, what can you do to get them to tap into their metacognition and interact with the text to comprehend the context? But you don't have the time to teach annotation.
You need a strategy that is quicker than annotating. You need the strategy of coding text.
Coding text!
What is coding text?
This is Angela McAtee.
And this is Bridget Hopper.
And we are here to answer your questions
about coding text.
Yay!
What is coding text? It is a strategy where students utilize symbols to quickly document their thoughts during reading.
When we first teach students to code text, we want to model the procedure and think out loud as we demonstrate it. This gives students support with a construct for how to stop, think, and react to what they are reading.
So, what does this look like?
We're glad you asked.
The teacher starts out with a coding legend of 3 to 4 symbols and models how they code a short piece of text, thinking out loud while placing symbols from the legend in the text to note their thinking during reading.
Now it is time for the students to practice. The teacher will start out with a short piece of text that is related to their content area and ask the students to use the coding legend to note their thinking during reading. Use your turn and talk or group discussion procedures to have the students discuss what they coded while you walk around and give feedback. After this, let the students share out what they documented about their thinking during reading.
Looking for a formative assessment? Look at the way students code text. If students code text with a C, ask where they made the connection. This feedback will give insight to what previous learning they are connecting the new material to, allowing the teacher to adjust content as needed.
Now you get to try it. Using your handout, finish coding the text with the symbols provided. Remember, use this strategy consistently, and as students begin to master it, add codes you think may be helpful to your content area or to your students. Gradually, the students may create their own codes to document thinking deeply about the text. Is this a strategy you may want to try with your class?
Of course you do!
Created using Powtoon.